moment. You know what I mean? Like, okay, he's back now. You don't see me getting a Cody Rhodes character and saying, "Man, Cody was my favorite, man." Like, it was just exciting
Bro,
at the moment,
man,
but it's not really
damn.
exciting right now.
Yeah, man. Come on, man.
Yeah,
Man. He
that
wasn't
was an
getting over
exciting
in
show.
AEW either.
I didn't really
Damn.
watch AEW like that.
Yeah, I ain't even watch. I don't even watch like
I'm
You
that.
not
didn't?
CM
gonna
Punk
lie.
returned, and I just forgot about them.
Damn, boy, I watch them
They
all the
doing good
time.
numbers. They doing good numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're doing good.
I
I'm not
watch.
saying they horrible. Or anything. I just like I don't know. Like I haven't been watching it, but I've been seeing the promos,
Oh
all this
my
shit.
god,
They're a
we're
great
having a
company for
birthday.
real. I
Hey,
want to watch a pay
Kim.
per view. I want to watch a pay per view. I think I'm gonna watch an AEW pay per view. The next one I probably watch. See if I get into it. Shit, get
Yo,
into
this
it.
shit go hard right here.
This Big Show actually. Yeah, son, this might be a
Big show.
video. You can't really
I
play that.
know, I know.
They call me the walking corpse.
The fuck. The fuck. He's gonna get us a copyright, yo. Don't we?
Oh, you play
Yo,
music in the
you
background?
cut the
Yeah.
video when the loading screen pop up. That's the thing. That's what I do. I'm gonna listen to music. I know how to cut my
Ole,
videos.
dee, do, bobbity bam, bobbity boo.
Let's just take forever to load. Oh, there it goes.
See, you said it. You popped
I
on the
see
whole
it.
damn screen.
Boy, the
Yeah.
whole damn screen.
Let's see what this person looks like. Let's see if it's Tupac or if it's just a dude in a bandana with some tattoos. A bald dude like the other dude. It was Kurt Angle, but he looked horrible. That was horrible, man. Just got a big noggin that's shining, yo. Just makes me want to punch you, yo, man.
Yo, did it look worse than where they put the old Kurt Angle face with the young body? With the hair?
Nah, that was
Yeah,
they
that
put
was
his
the
own face
laziest
with
shit
it.
I've ever seen, man. Just put hair on this. It's like with Kane. It's the current Kane face, and they put it like on the old, like
The ring
bald
is
Kane.
packed with two
It's the
big
current
teams
face
in
of
this
Kane.
tornado tag match.
Plenty of opponents to worry about,
Why
but
is my
you've got
screen so
plenty of
damn
allies.
dark?
It's all about which side can work together best.
And that one misses the mark. Great job refocusing to reverse that.
Yeah, they fucked up on Tupac.
look at this
Boom, got the
here,
bandana with the black bald dude. No
Yeah, that's
tattoo.
just a
A
random
Falls
dude.
Count
Right
Anywhere
there.
match is a really exciting opportunity. It really allows you to get creative and take the action to somewhere you have the
That shit's
advantage.
funny.
That's
Funny,
certainly
funny, funny.
one way of looking at what
At least Robin
many
Van Dam looks
would
pretty
characterize
decent,
as an
like.
incredibly dangerous match type.
So
I hate how they take Iron Man from switching me to somebody else.
Like he's got 11 arms and feet. Gets him with the counter.
I don't know why they made RVD when eventually he's gonna be available officially.
Heaved aside. Jeez.
They'll probably just
Dangerous spot for him to be in. He's got to figure out a way to get back in it. Uh-oh. Heading up top. This is going to be nasty.
I don't think I want to look.
Oh, my God.
Avalanche follow-away.
Dude, that's
moonsault
running at
slam.
me. You fucking
Any
stunned.
predicament.
Now I'm stunned from one move. Look at my health compared to Cody Rhodes, yo.
Victory.
Ooh, double axe
At least he's
handle.
stunned too,
I think
yo.
this match still
What?
has a ways to go.
Pele kick.
He's taking some good hits. Oh,
Yeah,
knee
he's
to the
fucking
jaw.
stunned. I'm stunned.
Clothesline delivered.
Yo, how did I?
Hit the ropes. Boom.
I think it's stunned one time last game.
Oh, my God. Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark.
He gets out of the way. Whoa, leaping through the air.
Keep switching
Oh,
me.
this guy ran straight after me. yo.
Holy moly, amazing display of athleticism.
Stomp to the leg. Firm control.
Saw that one coming.
Uh-oh. Dark matter. Oh, that is Saxton's finisher.
Getting him into the corner.
Things went from bad to worse.
Oh, boy.
Oh, boy.
Tower of London.
Into the Hurricane Rana.
Nicely done.
Ridiculous standing shooting
Come on,
star.
Oh, man.
Snap
Oh,
there. Oh, and the rolling neck snap. Endless knee strikes.
Ooh, well measured. Able to evade. Oh, enough already.
Yeah.
Big boost. Double
Oh,
knee
how?
backbreaker. And scene. Skull-crushing finale. Ooh, goodness, that looked bad.
Is it enough? The cover! Shoulder up, shoulder up!
This is going to come down to who wants it more.
Got the fucking rope,
Heading
bro.
up, he's
Oh, I got
thinking
2 over here.
On the top, there's some power behind that punch.
Was trying to
No,
make
I
a
can't do
splash
shit.
with that, but there was no water in the pool.
Ooh.
Fuck out of
To
here.
the jaw. Corkscrew splash to finish it off.
He's returning fire. Carefully placed stomp to the arm. Scary pattern starting to form as that upper area takes more damage. Harlem sidekick. Pele kick.
Yo, I get stunned from one fucking move.
Into the schoolboy way.
That's not it. Oh, man.
That was creative. Sent into the corner.
Leaving himself open here. I got. Oh, what do they have planned here? It's about doing anything it takes to earn the victory.
Wait a sec.
What the fuck? Yo, how do I keep missing?
Right forearm. Oh, the physicality on display there. Unbelievable. Back and forth from these competitors. Mounted palm strikes. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Looking for a high
What the
move.
fuck?
On the top. Belly to belly suplex. Nobody home. Boom. Oh, yeah. Let's just all take a moment to truly appreciate and embrace his presence. He has to be at his limit now.
This is getting hard to watch, guys. We might need to stop this one.
Oh, and the rolling
Out of
neck
here,
snap. Oh, the rope step corkscrew claw chop. That is the attitude
Back
of
in
a
the ring.
daredevil. The ability to take risk with minimal trepidation.
Yo, let's go get Cody.
No interceptor.
Here he goes for the win. Super kick.
Come on, come on.
Oh, there's more. Corkscrew splash to finish it off.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down? He wants it one more time. And scene.
We might just be seconds away from the end.
Looking for the victory. He's able to beat a 2 count.
Right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
Oh, roll the
What?
shoulder at the last moment.
How is that not 3?
Shit, my bad.
Setting him up for the
He's got his best opportunity right in front of him.
Go on.
2. Is enough to put him away.
Yo, this is ass, yo.
Somehow kicked out. He just kicked out by a fraction of a second. You can sense it. This crowd is on pins. And
He foiled that attempt. Just one step ahead.
oh,
Yo, excuse me.
That might be the final nail in the coffin.
broken up, and the match continues. That's teamwork.
And a
What the fuck is going on? I can't. Yo, man.
Kendo stick you
Nice.
back. Oh! One wicked attack after another. Good timing with that reversal. This building is rocking right now. Can you blame him?
I don't believe it.
Yo.
I don't believe it.
I don't either. Can this ref even count the body scissor takedown?
Yo.
To the cover.
What the fuck?
Fails to connect on the springboard.
What the fuck? Yo, I'm aiming for the wrong person, yo.
Pure instinct. He saw that one
No,
coming.
stop.
Oh, crossbody wipes them out. Ah,
Yo,
shot to the
thank
back.
you. Why would they have both their spin at the same time anyway?
Knee. And deep
That
in this
knee.
match, he
You
is
gotta stun
taking
himself,
out
right?
unwelcomed damage.
Time for him to fight through the pain or surrender
can
to
stun.
it. He just created a prime
Yo, help me.
opportunity.
First shot time. And the referee
What
gets
the fuck?
called
Oh, cut the left out.
fire.
Alright,
He
cool.
clearly wants to
Hey,
dish out
yeah,
more
it don't even
punishment.
matter, man.
But why not get the pinfall first? Vicious right forearm. Wrenches the arm.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this dude.
Kick. Beautiful.
Oh, goodness.
Oh my gosh.
He must be asking himself if continuing is worth it. Is the pain too much?
He's endeavored so much thus far. I guarantee he won't quit right now.
Yeah.
Oh man, landed hard.
Uh-oh, he's searching for something. Oh, what a clubbing blow. I think he's got 11 arms and feet.
Wicked kick to the... This could do it!
Trampling the
Oh, what the
opposition.
fuck?
Ooh! High cross body!
Bro, I always have fucking two people on me, bro.
This is it.
Super
I'm having
kick
business
finds
over
the
here.
mark.
No, stops the count at 2.
Thought he had it. You gotta be kidding me.
The springboard attack fails to land.
Ooh, man. Corkscrew splash to finish it off.
Ridiculous standing shooting star.
Just striking at will.
Capped off with a DDT.
I'm finishing this dude right here.
One's done.
And he's able to reverse.
He went right into that turnbuckle.
Looking vulnerable on that top turnbuckle. This is not good.
Double knees to the gut at an insult to injury. That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was.
Hold up that guard, man.
We've got to acknowledge these fans, a packed arena, and we're hearing every single voice.
It is loud and it is mad in here.
Yo, are you serious, yo?
Thinking pays off.
Let's
An
go.
agile escape.
And I'm stunned.
Clothesline
Ass.
back
I'm bringing
to the
my
neck.
guy at the ring.
Gosh, terminating knee smash.
I'm stunned.
Shifts it back
At the
onto
ring,
him.
son.
He's going for it all.
How would they have both my partners stunned at the same time, though?
Headed to the top rope. Going for it again.
You missed.
That was a bad
Bro,
call.
come over here.
Double axe handle.
Great drop
What?
kick.
Fuck
Turning
off
the
me, yo.
tables there.
Whoa, not quite yet.
Oh, swanton.
Oof. Kick finds it.
Yo.
He's getting up, but there's danger.
Yo, why do I? Yo, come on, can y'all get a man, please?
Look at his eye.
Yo, I'm trying to get in the ring, yo. I can't move.
I always have fucking
Damn.
two people on me, yo.
Vicious enziguri.
Oh, he retaliates.
Running knee lift.
Delivers the cross bot.
Amazingly executed once more.
Oh, what a wind-up. Tossed by the neck.
Incredible to think. After everything we've witnessed, we are still at a stalemate.
Oh, my. Down with authority.
Oh, the stunner. That was the best one I've ever seen.
The opening is there for the taking.
Holy meat them.
Stunner! Emphatically delivered. He is in complete control.
Stunner.
They can't take any more of that. This must be over.
2 count. Oh, he gets the shoulder.
Yo, I hit him with 3 stunners.
Three stunners.
All over. Almost a 3 count.
Yeah, talk about a close call.
Listen, that should have ended things.
On the apron. Look out below. Big time risk pays off.
The daredevil in you comes out when you take risks like that. Nice monkey flip.
Oh, my God, a clothesline.
Brought down with a snapmare.
Seated drop kick.
Ooh, the release on the German suplex.
Somebody got eliminated. Fuck this
What a
shit.
forearm.
Ooh,
Oh,
Able to
fucking
reverse.
risk it.
able to get out of the way.
That'll hurt. DDT.
He fends off the attack.
Yo, I couldn't put my guard up, yo.
Beautiful strike
Good Cody,
combination.
Chuck.
And a DDT to follow it up.
Don't.
Just crashing
That's
down
awesome.
from the top. Oh my gosh. Look out.
Oh, God.
A totally ill-advised decision there.
Maybe slight hesitation there caused the outcome.
I'm getting Robbie then, yo.
He takes control.
Yo, my character is getting confused, yo.
Oh, ow.
Like he's got 11 arms and feet. That's under.
What? Pele kick.
Fuck off me,
Right
yo.
into it.
Vicious knee.
Everyone get out of the way while he is clearly looking to destroy his opponent right now. On top of the announce
Nice.
table.
Yo, pin that. That's you, PJ.
Amazing catch. Shoot it up again for the win.
Good shit.
No, 2 count.
What?
He
Damn.
refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct.
How I get knocked out from that?
Blackout. Under the ropes now. Double knees to the gut
Man, so much brutality with that move.
Yo, the ref has to run over here.
Oh, impressive counter.
Let's go. Nice.
Been eliminated.
Come on.
Take a good look at
He's looking for yet another
Nice.
exclamation mark.
This one
Twist
is
the feet.
all but over.
Yo, this guy's I'm pinning this guy.
Makes
Also, you.
him pay with a counter.
Dude, this dude keep kicking out.
Yo,
Like,
break it up. Break it up.
I told you wanted him though.
All he has to do is capitalize.
Slagging. That dude
Somebody
is
go.
leaving.
Oh, them damn right quick. There he left.
Going way up high. Shoulders
He
back.
keeps his from the top. Diving double axe handle. Oh my God, what a kick. Oh, knee smash in the face. Wrenches the arm. Drop kick. Beautiful. Good gun.
I know what's next.
Axe kick.
Man.
He paid for that one.
Oh, man. Big time.
I know what the fuck is gonna happen, bro.
Stunner.
Fuck out of here, bro. Tired of
That
seeing you.
proved to be enough this time.
Sure, he's pumping himself
Yo, he
up,
kicked
but
out his
he's
fucking
also
3
giving his
stunners.
opponent a chance to recover. Fishing for something beneath the ring.
Able to avoid any harm there. Interceptor.
What?
Ducks under.
Oh, he just off the table.
Look out.
Spine buster.
I haven't hit a box out in no fucking ring.
He was waiting for him to make his move.
He's one step ahead there. Counter after counter. Answering back.
Yo, break this
Oh
up.
my gosh. Terminating knee smash. And he's not allowing fatigue to hold him back now.
Yeah, feeling like the home stretch here.
Lot
It's
of
no
tables.
time for him to hold back.
Firm control. Climbing up top. He's got big play.
On the top.
Moved out of the way.
Nobody home.
Probably got to get out that ring.
Springboard corkscrew
Oh, it's
crossbody.
fine today.
Big forearm. Oh, flipping the script on him there. Wow, what a drop kick. Wow, again, shoulder to the midsection. Only showing off if it doesn't work. Reversal, can they go? Measuring it up one more time.
Looking wobbly in the corner.
That's got to end it this time around. Is it enough? The cover!
Shot. The fact that these superstars can still be moving at this point is beyond the realm of reality.
He deflects it right back.
He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of moments.
Oh, and back to the elbow. German suplex.
Let me spin.
And finds a counter. Looks like he has something planned with his table, guys.
I don't want to know.
He takes control. Good God. Good God.
Yeah, super.
With their
Yo,
hand.
I'm pinning that. Pin that, pin that.
Uh-oh, could it be? Take down there.
Is this it?
What the fuck?
Come on, ref.
This could be it.
Cover for the win. Thought he had
You
him.
gotta be kidding me.
He's about
Yo,
to do
the
it.
ref
He's
got
about
beat
to
all
do
day.
it again.
How much more can they endure? What? What do you say? This is amazing.
What a super kick. What an exclamation mark right there. Makes the cover.
Crafty way to get out of harm there.
Oh, I thought that
He's not gonna keep kicking out. So.
as it hooked. Hit
Oh,
the
yeah.
lights.
What do you
Signed,
see, sir?
sealed, and
Got it.
delivered. Must have something different in mind here. Wow. Run right through with the spear. Oh, is that a spear?
Interceptor, boy.
I think that finally closes the book.
Fuck out of here, man.
Been eliminated.
Yo, let me pin this guy. Let me pin this guy. Oh, yeah, we need to pin.
Oh, man, spine-crushing impact.
How do we
Sights out on
keep
the top
fucking
rope.
running, yo? No way to go.
No.
An absolutely foolhardy decision made there.
That
Wow.
can be very costly.
You
Up
think you
across
would
the
have fucking...
shoulders. Down and out. That lands
Yo, I gotta
hard
hit
with
put
him
my
on the
hands on this
receiving
dude, yo.
end.
Certainly
Okay,
a
let me
worrisome
finish
scenario
this
for
guy.
him at this juncture.
Leg drop
All these
DDT
dudes just ran at me, yo.
first.
The Florida Keys.
Yeah.
Take a good.
Let it go to Rhodes.
That's got to do
Just
it.
go
That's
to,
got to
yeah.
be it. Oof. Good contact. Oh, European uppercut.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
This isn't the smartest thing to do. Antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him. Suplex. Oh, just turn that around. Oh! He's got him scouted. Saw that one coming. Took advantage.
Try to spare me. Nah, I know you.
And he's able to reverse. With the reversal.
Ooh, treading
Yo,
all over
how do I
their
keep hitting
Let me
PJ? I don't understand this shit, yo.
Let me
Yeah, isn't this shit?
Turned inside
Okay.
out by the German.
Let me get my shit to this shit. Oh, I got it.
Run right through with the spear.
He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him.
Super kick. Unloading their best shot once more.
Cover.
Let
Oh,
him
what?
earn this
You
moment.
bitch.
He's earned it.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed
Look
to
at him
get
running.
the shoulder up.
It must be demoralizing knowing you've unleashed your best shot on your opponent to no avail.
Let me get my
Shifts
shit.
it back
Oh
onto
shit, I
it.
used that. I can't even.
Snapmare
Hey,
takeover.
we all get a finisher. We all hit him with a finisher, a signature. He should be done. That'd be 3 finishers.
Turned that one around. Boom. Reversal. Can he
Worse
take
than everything I'm
advantage?
doing.
Boom.
Yo, sir, can anybody else get a hit?
Ducks under.
Go ahead, man. I'll put my paws on him. I'm not
Kick
stopping.
connects. Oh, saw it coming.
Guy ran for me the whole fucking match. Hit me and ran. Hit me and ran.
Oh,
Him and Cody Rhodes,
shoulder,
bro.
elbow, all affected with that.
He must have had that
I
scouted.
missed. I fucking missed, yeah.
There's no way you
down
can
here.
go.
Oh, man.
Get up. I'm getting table.
You hit him with this, yo.
Oh, he retaliates.
Look at this bitch.
What?
WWE
Not
Universe
happening.
wants tables. Well,
Let me
they've
do a
got
table
tables.
outside the ring. Fuck it.
Great counter. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
From way out,
Oh, I got
this
that.
one passed. And you can debate whether or not that would have been the end. Interesting decision there.
Yeah, son, I just want to end this shit, yo. Yeah, I'll end it.
He's returning
Yeah, you
fire.
tried it, bitch.
Interesting decision here, Corey.
I don't know. I kind of like it.
He's just dragging out the fucking match, man.
Super kick.
That one has to end this.
When the hell he's kicking out all these finishers, though? Like, let's go.
Got it.
Can't kick
He's
out of all of
tested
them, yo.
every other team
You can't kick out of
in
all
this
of them. I
match.
said kick out of. Good W, yo. Fucking go. I'm uploading that shit.
Here are your
No, he knows
winners.
Got to give these three credit for an amazing victory here tonight.
Yeah, what a match. I
Come
can
on.
only imagine how they must feel right now.
Yeah, a
That's
certain
what
amount of
people do,
pride
man.
has to come with surviving elimination matches.